For example, now again, like me, I'm an informal brand. I'm not trying to change. I will not. Oh, let me tell you a story. Legit.ng. Do you guys know legit.ng? If you don't know, check your phone or check your laptop. Go type internet legit.ng. Check it. It's on screen. Instagram. Do you see how many followers they have? 870K, 70,000. You can see that they are not a child's play, right? They contacted me to do a promo for them. Are you listening? Yeah, because when I talk all this one, some people go to talk nonsense. So they contacted me to do a promo for them. There's what we call user generated content, UGC. Anytime you hear people say UGC, that's what it means, user generated content. So they wanted me to do a promo for them. I'll shoot a video and explaining the video in my own style. They have a product that they want to sell. It's a course like what I'm teaching now. They have their own course like this. So they wanted me to help them advertise it so that people can come for the course. So they will pay me. Now, first, they paid me first. Before we even talk first, they paid me first. Then, I now started disturbing them for more than 1 week. They now gave me script. Meaning they are not hungry. They've checked me out. They've told me what they want. Then they paid me. Then it took some time that they gave me script. Then I read the script. Then they said I should do it in my own way. Now watch. After doing it, I submitted it. The guy in charge of the, like, let's say like the guy that in charge of, let's say the social media kind of person, right? Understood what I did and was okay with it. Only to submit to management. Now, yeah, I want to hit some things when we go do controversial now. I'm not talking about demo, I'm talking about general controversial, big controversial stuff. Only for you to send it to management. Management did not like the video. They don't like my approach. The informality, they did not like it. The person that contacted me understands that now in way be this. I was so informal. I did it my way. I'm not going to be doing a formal thing. I'm not going to be reading a script and be talking. I'm not a formal person. It will no longer be genuine. I want to personalize what you want me to do. And I'm not, if I was a formal person, I will speak Queen's English. But I'm not. I will still try my best to wear one kind of suit that I don't understand. Ladies and gentlemen, we have yet another opportunity. And this time, it is from legit.ng. Now, I want you to check the link on your screen to see how legit this opportunity is. This opportunity is for those who are content creators. If you are a content creator and you do not make money from your content, or you want to be a content creator and you don't know how to make money. In fact, the real word that everybody is used to is called monetization. You want to monetize your content. You want to be doing something online. And so, all right, let's pause. The message is passed. So, the guy now told me that, do this. When I now saw the way he was tweaking, I now told him, sir, please let me refund. I can't change my brand. I cannot, what you're asking me to do, I'm not fit to do them. I go form. It will be me forming. That's why most of you have bought things you ought not to buy, because somebody they just collected money and lied to you and told you the phone has 200 pixels. They've collected money from the brand. They just tell you, they don't care. They don't care about you. It's called influencer marketing. And I'm like, I like what they're doing. They want to teach. It's a class. People will pay. They can deliver on it. But let me do it. They said no. I said, thank you, sir. Then I said, I want to refund. They gave me an account. I refunded. Then I said, please, would you still like, I would still like to post it for you. They were like, oh, why? Wow, that's great. Thank you so much. And that's why you see, I posted it for them for free. I know it's not anything, no problem. And I'm saying connection, that's maintaining relationship. Some of you like say, I'm not going to post them because they not pay me. You don't have sense. They not pay you. You can't do anything for free. How do you want to get people's hearts? Even your God that created you sent Jesus for free. For free. No, you didn't pay anything. Air that you're breathing is for free. So that's it. Just so that you know, because people now say, do you have a proof? You get proof, say you do. It's just that you do First Bank. Your father get angry. Don't you have a father? Anyway, so that's it. So I didn't change my brand. Do you understand? I did not change it.